My baby is starting solid today, and I'm so happy because I was really waiting for this time. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to feed her sweet potato. Yes, because it's sweet potato. So I'm going to peel the skin off, and then I'll slice it into thin slices like you see here. Then I'll add some carrot, and then I'm going to steam this with walnut. Yes. So I'm going to steam it until I feel like it's soft to my satisfaction. I can't tell how much time it takes. I just kept on going back and check. Then I'm going to put it in the blender with warm water or hot water, boiled water in short. Yes, I'm going to blend it until I'm okay with the consistency. And then yes, I love the texture and it really tastes good. I'm going now to feed her, and then until I feel like she's okay, because now you can see she's full. She's not opening her mouth and she's like yeah. And then after that, I'm going to leave the plate there and the spoon so that she can start learning how to feed herself.